So onions, mushrooms, we have ketchup. Oh, the cheese. Let's see. That's what I'm looking for now. Oh wait, oh no, that's shredded cheese. I think is this. Ew, this gotta go to garbage. What kind is that? The baby Swiss.
Okay, so we need some.
Ew. This is a lifesaver. Y'all should get one of these. It's from where did I get this from?
Was it Container Store?
Yeah, for Christmas. So we write down our menu for the week on the back, and then we write down what we need. Well, it has like different stuff on here of like what you would need. So you write in your stuff, and then once you go to the store, you just scratch it off. This is what I was talking about when I had said the potatoes, string beans, and the chicken, and the sauce.
I don't even know how I made that.
You don't know what this is?
Let me see.
It's little potatoes.
But I gotta remember what.
You don't remember what sauce that is? Is that marsala? I can't tell.
I gotta look it up.
She don't remember what she made. But this was so good. It's chicken, string beans, and potatoes and some kind of sauce that she made. But sis don't even remember what she cooked. So I'm gonna finish making this list and I'll be back. See you at Wegmans. Alright, so we finished our grocery list. This is our food menu for the week. We're having lima beans and cornbread, sliders and fries. What you say? Chicken, string beans, and potatoes with the mystery sauce. What's that? Oh boy. Oh. Mexican shrimp and grits. Yeah, because you don't know what that sauce is. Mongolian beef and orange chicken. So we just got to make sure we remember to grab this before we leave. All right, guys. So we are on our way to the pumpkin patch. Milan is in the back seat. She's sleeping. We're just leaving the house. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Bye. All right, so we had to stop and get gas. Well, not gas. Put air in our tires, and my tire and my mom's tire. Coincidentally, we both have low air pressure in our tires, so we're putting air in the tires now, and then we're gonna head back on the road. All right, so we made it, guys. So right now what I'm doing is getting ready to put Milan in her carrier. I fed her, right? She slept through the whole car ride, thank God. So now I'm about to put her in her baby carrier so we can start heading over. My family already went. I told them to go ahead without us. Let me close the door, it's kind of windy outside. I didn't want them waiting while I was feeding her and changing her pamper and everything, because you know, I know they're ready to go have fun. So now little Miss Milan, hi mama, is going in her carrier. And I love this little baby carrier. Oh, there goes the burp. It helps so much, even like around the house it helps. So got the blanket, the diaper bag, my phone, we got Lonnie. We ready to go. All right, so let me just get us situated.
Choo-choo train.
They got a Ferris wheel.
Mini Ferris wheel.
All right, come on. Let's go to where Glammy is. Ooh, it's windy.
Guys, make Grandma come.
Oh, I see them down there. Hello. How are you? good. Hey guys. Hey. And give your band. Come on guys, let's go on a hayride.
Yeah.
They were trying.
Come. It's a baby.
She's in here in the blanket.
Brother sister pictures. Come on.
They don't want to cheat. Say pumpkins.
Pumpkin. Oh, I know the word.
All right, give me a silly face. One silly face. She did nothing. What face is that? Come on. You allowed to stand on this? Yeah. You gotta sit. You can stand. I don't want my pants to get dirty. She's not going to look. Let's go. Let's get started this way. Okay. Let me help you. Somebody couldn't wait to the end of the hayride. She had to eat right now. Well, she get a view while she eats.
Up there.
Oh my God! Look all the way up there.
Oh.
Well, there's a lot of stuff going on.
Did you just fall?
Yeah, he fell.
I think I caught it on camera.
Donald haven't found his pumpkin. I found a pumpkin.
That's somebody's. Put it back.
I don't know.
I'm sorry.
I couldn't find it.
Did you say sorry, Trinity? Say sorry.
Sorry, my brother Donald couldn't
Well, you can't
find.
take somebody else's pumpkin and give it to him.
But I don't know what
But you
pumpkin.
still cannot take
He
somebody
never
else's
found his pumpkin.
And that's okay. You're too focused on this pumpkin that you didn't even go say sorry to the girl. Go over there and say sorry.
Sorry.
Come over here and relax. Calm down. He's going to find his. Listen to me. He's going to find his.
Alright.
I need to get me a mount for the car so that I can vlog while I'm driving. But we're on our way to pick up our friends. We're having like a little mommy and me play date kind of thing today. So we're on the way. I'm turning right? Yeah, making a right turn. We're on our way to pick them up now. We real chill today. My hair is shedding a lot, and I'm thinking it's my postpartum shedding. So I'm gonna start doing some more treatments on my hair. But yeah, we're on our way to pick up our friends.
Girl, I hate this damn stroller.
Really? You need help? She just started opening her eyes.
You can tell I don't go. This thing.
You be like, I
My
don't never use
boyfriend,
this.
She doesn't. See, that's another
You got it? Did it work?
It has to get clipped in on this side. I gotta call him like, babe, how the fuck do I do
You said it got a clip on that side.
Yeah, that's what we like. There we
There
go.
you go. I'm thinking that they don't even have. Oh, right there. But that still looks kind of nice.
Like this time next year, we're gonna have 1 year old.
Right. Oh, look at these little shoes.
Like that's what I was talking about for Thanksgiving. I want her some shiny black shoes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There's some little shiny shoes down there, but those small ones might be too big. There, you know. And my shirt is up. Are you hungry?
Do you want this one?
Get that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab that. This, because I'm trying to get her some more stuff with like long sleeves because it's getting cold out. Oh, she just burped. Look. Say hey, Jenna. Look, you gotta make them stare at each other. Hey. see the baby? Say hey. Y'all talking? Huh? Cause you said huh and she said huh. That was the end of the conversation. So yesterday, you guys know that we went to the mall. And my camera, of course, died while we were at the mall. So it's getting cold out. It's the fall officially now. So I got her some white long sleeve onesies from H&M. And I got her this pack. So it comes with a burgundy long sleeve onesie and also this patterned long sleeve onesie. So I got her these two, and she needed some new white socks, so I got her some new white socks. So all three of these were buy two get one free, so I ended up getting the socks for free because it was the cheapest thing out of all three items. So I got her this from H&M. We went to the children's place. I had a gift card from my baby shower, so I had got her a couple of things from there. It's a 3-piece set. So it comes with a long sleeve shirt, and it has like little castles and clouds and stuff on it, trees that look like they're made out of cotton candy, and it has ruffle detailing on it, which I think is so cute for a little girl. And then it has a short sleeve top with it that says Queen of the Castle right there, and then it comes with some little pants with the little ruffles on the front and the back. She's gonna have to grow into this because she's still, you know, kind of small. This is a 0 to 3 month set. She just turned 3 months today, actually, so she's gonna have to grow into that because it's still too big. I could tell those pants are too big. I got her a sweatsuit. These have little crowns, stars all over them, with little ruffles on the shoulders. A onesie that says the princess has arrived. It's a short sleeve onesie, but it has some little ruffles on the arms. And the little pants have ruffles on the butt. I got her this top, Grandma. It says a professional spoiler. Like she loves Malone. And then I saw these cute little pants, her little rock star pants. Look at these plaid pants with the ruffles on the butt, and then it has like the it's like a little tighter. Is that called a cinge? I think it's called a singed like leg down here at the bottom on both sides. These are so cute, like little rock star pants. So I can't wait until she can wear this. And then it came with these little black tights with like a tutu going around it. And I got her this onesie that says Little Drama Llama. Check out her lashes. Yes, lashes. So I'm thinking about taking Milan to church for the first time tomorrow. So I'm thinking about putting this on her, the Drama Llama shirt with the black tutu leggings thing. We just got home from church not too long ago. We're actually taking my grandma out for her birthday today. So, you know, we're waiting for all my family to get done doing what it is that they're doing.
Greatness. Can you arrange that, Armando?
Oh, is the chief of the castle supposed to arrange these things? I'm still getting used to the job.
Hey guys, happy Halloween! So today is October 31st. October 31st. It's Halloween. Of course, I've had so much going on lately that I didn't even stop and go get Milan a costume. I've been trying to think of something where we could have matching costumes. Like, I've been thinking about things, but I haven't been able to find anything. that really stood out to me or anything like that. So of course this becomes a last minute trip to the arts and crafts store. I need to put some lotion on my face. My skin is so dry. Ever since I got pregnant, my skin has been like super dry, like peeling and everything. But that's not the point. We made it to the arts and crafts store, so we're about to go inside, grab a couple of things so I can put her costume together, and then we're gonna go head back home, get it all together, and get her ready for the trick-or-treaters that are coming to the house. If anything, I might run to my church so she'll, you know, be out somewhere, but that'll be about it. But let's go inside the arts and crafts store. Oh, how cute. If I was gonna dress her up as a little cowgirl, that would be cute, but we're not doing that. Alright, so we're back home. We actually had to stop. We had to pull over on some street on our way home because Milan was not having it. She was hungry. She could not wait until we got home, so I had to hop in the back seat and feed her. I'm pretty sure she's sleeping now, so I'm about to head in the house, make her costume real quick. I'm gonna try and eat something. I'm gonna try and eat, take a shower, see if she stays asleep while I'm doing all of that. So Milan was giving me such a hard time while I was making her costume, so I couldn't even finish recording. My mom had to come and help me finish making her costume. She's being so cranky and fussy right now. I don't know what's going on, but we have most of her costume on. Her little hat that I made is right here. So we're about to try and go to our church. We'll see if Milan will let us do all of that. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.